Have you noticed that artificial intelligence is becoming part of almost everything we do? Students use AI to write essays, summarize articles, solve problems, and even generate ideas in seconds. While this technology is incredibly powerful, there is one skill that is becoming more important than ever before: critical thinking. In the age of AI, the people who succeed will not be those who simply use AI, but those who know how to question, verify, analyze, and evaluate the information AI provides. One of the biggest misconceptions today is that AI is always correct. In reality, AI can make mistakes, generate inaccurate information, create fake references, or present opinions as facts. That is why we need to train ourselves and our students to think critically. Instead of immediately accepting an AI-generated answer, we should ask questions like, where did this information come from? Is there evidence to support it? Are there alternative viewpoints? What assumptions are being made? These simple questions can help us separate reliable information from misleading content. The framework shown here highlights several practical activities that can strengthen critical thinking skills in the AI era. For example, students can challenge AI responses by asking follow-up questions and demanding evidence. They can act as hallucination detectives by checking whether references, dates, statistics, or citations generated by AI are actually real. Another powerful exercise is comparing human written content with AI-generated content and identifying differences in reasoning, depth, and originality. Students can also evaluate AI outputs using a rubric, annotate errors and unsupported claims, and compare answers from search engines and AI tools side by side. These activities teach an important lesson. Convenience does not always mean credibility. Just because information appears quickly does not mean it is accurate. Another valuable practice is using Socratic questioning. Instead of accepting an answer, students can ask, what evidence supports this claim? What assumptions are hidden here? Or what information is missing? This process encourages deeper understanding and helps reveal weaknesses in arguments. Similarly, debating different perspectives generated by AI can teach students how to analyze multiple viewpoints before forming conclusions. Perhaps the most important message is this: AI should not replace thinking, it should enhance thinking. The future belongs to people who can work alongside AI while maintaining their ability to reason independently. Critical thinking allows us to use AI as a tool rather than becoming dependent on it. It helps us make better decisions, avoid misinformation, and become more informed learners and professionals. As AI continues to evolve, technical skills will matter, but the ability to think critically, ask meaningful questions, and evaluate information will remain one of the most valuable human abilities. So, whether you are a student, teacher, researcher, or professional, start practicing critical thinking today.